If you're looking to draw a factory for kids that's easy and fun, you're in the right place. Factories can be exciting places where all sorts of things are made, like toys, clothes, and even yummy treats. This guide will walk you through the steps to draw your factory, complete with tall chimneys, windows, and fun details like smoke and trees. Grab your pencils and let's get started on creating a cool factor that you can proudly show